2022. Today is the first Monday of 2022, and I'm just so excited for this year. I haven't been around a lot lately. There's just been a lot going on with some family health issues and scheduling a surgery for me for tomorrow. Don't worry, it is small and routine and outpatient, which is the best of it. So hopefully it will all go perfectly, and I will be here next week without missing a beat. But until then, I do want to just say, you guys, I'm sorry for checking out without saying anything. I know you guys depend on this group for recipes, for inspiration, and for just, camaraderie and seeing other people eating healthy and feeling good. And I really want to get back to that this year. So my health goal for 2022 is to find balance. We have some big plans this year, kicking it off with this stupid surgery that is the result of 2 years of inflammation, and it's my sinuses. Inflammation and goo up there, and it's just gross, and I just am finally getting it taken care of. We're planning to move this summer halfway across the country. We're not sure on our destination yet. We have 2 cities in mind. So we're going to try to figure that out real fast and then start the house search, which is going to be exciting. I want to say thank you to everybody who reached out. Thank you to people who are still listening to the podcast, because that's coming back, I promise. And just thank you to you guys just for being here. Thank you for being part of this community. I am really looking forward to helping all of us find a little bit of balance this year. So to do that, I want to change the name of this group. I want to really encourage you to be active, to make your own posts, to comment on other people's posts when you do that. Okay, I'm back. I really want to make this about little steps. So every year I pick a little phrase, right? And I pick a verse, and I pick some goals. One for my fitness stuff, one for my career, and one for personal. So this year I have picked my verse to be from Jeremiah, and it is about leaning into God's plan and letting everything work out in His timing. Because I get really anxious and I want things to happen now. But God's timing is perfect, and we need to remember that. And so I am really leaning into that. My second thing is just finding balance in my workouts, and knowing that I don't need to be a cover model, like a fitness magazine cover model. I just need to be me. I just need to have energy to do things with my kid, with my family. I need to be strong enough to pick up my baby nieces and nephews. I need to have enough energy and focus to do keep the house clean, keep my business going, do all that kind of stuff, and just be here for the long haul. That is what I want. So to feel good, to have that energy, that's what I'm going for this year. And hopefully stay in my skinny jeans. Yeah, skinny jeans. No new clothes. That's what I'm trying to do. No new clothes. I want to spend money on wine and a new house and that kind of stuff. No new clothes. So that is that. And then my career goal, I really am focusing on learning how to do some different styles of writing and really hone that in this year. That has been my number one thing that people ask for of me that I don't have formal training in. So I'm going to go get some training, and I'm going to get better. And I hope that you guys are doing the same. My personal goal is to just be more prolific with my words, be more specific with my words. I want to ditch the 4-letter words because I feel like I lean on them too much when I'm upset, and I need to learn new words. So we're doing that this year. And then I mentioned my verse from Jeremiah, but along with that, and along with finding all these other things, my phrase of the year is little steps. So you guys will see me hashtagging that like in my personal stuff, on my Instagram, here in my Facebook, in this Facebook group, which is to be renamed. Don't forget, to be renamed. That is little steps. Hashtag little steps. Because we can't do this all in these big things because nothing will stick. So I want to make little steps. I want to make little changes. So today, you know what I did for my career goal? I literally just signed up for a website that has a bunch of training on it. I put it on my calendar to do, and I wrote down the password for my kid so that she can use it too, because there's a bunch of like other sort of trainings on that site. And so I just kind of went through. I found the first one I want to do, and we're going to start there this week because since my surgery, I'm going to have a lot of time on my butt on the couch, and I'm just going to try to use it for good, right? So I'd rather keep learning and then Netflix a little, and then keep learning and then Netflix a little, and we'll see how that goes. But little steps, you guys. Don't have to make all these big changes, you know, all at once. And especially in the way that we eat, and especially in your exercise, like start from the beginning. No one is an expert right away. We all start at the beginning. We all take baby steps as we go, and that's how you make it a habit and part of your lifestyle, and that's how you make it work. In real life, we just want the energy to do the things that we enjoy doing. And so that's what this group is going to be all about this year. I really am going to focus in on some faith, some hope, some food, and some self-love, some self-care stuff, you guys. So keep your eye out for different types of posts. It's not all going to be recipes, although there will be a lot, because that is the base of any healthy lifestyle, is making sure that you're getting good nutrition. But know that I'm going to work in some workouts, and I'm going to encourage you guys to go for a walk after lunch or after dinner or something. And thanks, love. I love seeing the hearts. Well, I love seeing the hearts. You guys do hearts for me because they go, and it's really fun. So yeah, and I just, that's it. So watch out for changes. I will keep you posted here. There are some other reasons why I want to make some changes in this group. I really need to clean up the list of members because there are some members who I don't even know how they got in, but they're in. If you are not on my email list, give me your email. Just DM me, and that way you get notified of the meal plan for the week, which I'm going to restart, and also just like the podcast, like when I go live and when it gets live, like when I post it on the site and all that kind of stuff. So I will also be sharing in the email like what the new name of the site is and all that stuff. It will be here. It's just going to change the name, so you'll see something different in your feed. Yeah, and I will probably also be changing the name of my Instagram as well, just because I want to sort of change it up and get a new look and feel for 2022, and we'll see how that goes. I hope you guys like the changes. If you have ideas, let me know. I would love to have another moderator in my Facebook group just to keep people excited and make sure that everybody's questions are answered and all that stuff. So welcome to 2022. I am excited to be here with you guys. I would love it if you dropped your goal, your fitness goal, your personal goal, your career goal, whatever, down below so that I can hear it, so I can encourage you on it, and so I can post to that. Like if you guys are all working on the same thing, I'm going to do posts better to push you in that direction. I want you to be better. I want you to find that balance and just be amazing. So let's all just be amazing today and hashtag little steps. Bye, you guys. Have a fantastic week.